Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Management representative jong Star Cement Devandar Bansal ule thu baki pat bhur ki balawan hapo Star Cement kila penjat lot ki komputer ki kamera ki mobile phone ula ong le se karon ka jingja ya ka jah pedeng kini ki arngot ki driver hadenti hak ba uni driver jong ka pick up ulawan da ka jat bat ula kiu bat yeng hakmat ka bumper jong ka trok bat da ka jing tiang uni driver jong ka trok ula nya ya ka trok bat kala ja ba uni driver jong ka pick up ula hap bat hamar ka takapor kala yu bat uni driver jong ka trok ula Phet krat no ule thu ba kini baro arngot ki de ki trai jela ule thu ru bahadian ka tukane por lawan poi ka ambulance ringkat ki doktor hak ba ki le thu ba ula klat no bat hadian ka tukane por ki bor pulit ki lawan poi hak de jaka kumjuru ule thu bahadian kata ki pat ba ki lawan poi bat ki la persang ban Shimkhia bat penjat de ki tiar kitar ki badan hak de jaka bat thang ki trok ule thuru bakidan hadu arpasan tali kitrok kibala julor hendai kibala kham julor bha kidan khatwei tali wa he Shnong jong Shnong Lumshnong uba monlang ladong ula ong baka jingja hastar simen hakamiat khat phratrik jemang kalong ka basngusi namar ba uni ubala khlat nangani ki jingja udei Nongshong Shnong jong ka Lumshnong halor kani ki jingja nakaliang ka bor Shnong ula ong bakan bot dien bat rai khat penlong ya ka jingalang hapdeng ka star simen bat ki Pulit banyak ren halor kani ki jingja ula ong ru bawat Nongñiah Trok ru hadu menta udang Phet ri bar ki Pulit kimpat yokem ula Kyntu ru ki Pulit ban Shimkhia ban tokit banyak halol kini ki jingja kenang bantem mikum kini ki jingja hadien habut uni Nongñiah ka kali pick up ubala khlat no nang kini ki jingsha ayu kali udei usnyau bha suchang khat khanai snam karta kat ba Nongñiah Trok pat udei ubala tip kerteng kum usai lang mi dekhar live khanai snam karta naga Shnong kli etershi
myself is a management representative from Star Cement. The incident which happened yesterday was actually the company's truck were there that was operated by some NECPL called. So all the drivers are from the Meghalaya only. They are operating. So in yesterday's incident, I think there was some dispute on the road by some camper driver or this truck driver. Both the truck driver belongs to Kilitirshi near Jovai and camper driver belongs to Lumshnong. So there was some incident happened near Visor, I think. So that camper was chasing to the truck. When it reached to the plant, so there was some gap. So the truck was stopped at gate, and then after that, when it entered, that camper was also in along with the. It came, and then driver came by foot, and then he stood on the front side of the bumper of the truck, and he was putting the hand on the in the that glass front mirror. And I think by the truck driver was also scared or don't know what was there inside, and there was some incident happened. He fell down, and then truck was already in movement. So that incident happened. So when I was also not there, our team was there. They immediately rushed to spot, and then ambulance was provided. Doctor was there, but I think that. Was not alive, or that doctor said it was there, and then the truck driver also fled after parked the truck in the parking, and then he fled. So at that time nobody was also not aware. So when they came, so then slowly that people also gathered what happened, and then that deputy headman of the village came along with the people, and then they tried to Ïaki, their family member will come, and then they took the body to the hospital, and then police also reached before time. They were also there. So after that, I think some miscreant or some nuisance people, they came, and then they tried to divert the issue from this to another matter, and then they're taking advantage of the situation, and then they try to in number of people they gathered, and then they try to hit the trucks at the parking, and then started breaking the glass, and then burning the trucks, and then one by one, and then they made some fierce psycho in the plant. They destroyed the office, that transport office also they disturbed, and then the plant office also they have disturbed. So they created fear psycho for 2-3 hours in the plant. So that all the whatever detail was required by the police, we have provided them, and then accordingly that as per requirement, then whatever thing is there, police is taking care as per normal course of action, as per law they will deal. So that's a matter. Spoken number of computer system that damage the chairs, office chairs, and then all room is computers are destroyed, cameras are destroyed, and phone were there. All things are in. So all whatever we have CCTV footage, the police has checked yesterday night, and they have taken all the footage as per their investigation required. In yesterday incident, around 16 trucks are, I think 15 to 16 are burned, and then some are little bit damaged, some are badly damaged. So I think 10-11 are around some damage, and then 10 more might be little bit damaged. So total damage is around 25, I think 24, 25. The number is yet to receive.
Ïaki ini dengan kamu Shnong yang kalau Lumshnong monlang lah dong. Jing itu nin kesini kejanmet kawa dia astar simen man pendap ini dah kajing selesai. Ada MOV na ginang Shnong yang buat man driver yang pick up dah cayu atau truk simen yang astar simen. Man kawa selesai kamu Shnong ini pada boroh kawa dia kami ni jingjia. Ke jingjia lor yang kini te ile dang ya bodden ni kam ka Shnong ya bo ke meeting we chong meeting wa ka star bar kam jo ya ke wa ki Pulit le jing ito kini ka kam le bha kam man ka te betit driver wa yu ni na wa da yak le dang tho ki Pulit o wa mem bu chem yo do ne ka singi te ikam ke wa dau lai chakmat ko yuluti wa ki Pulit le udang pai dang sli ki ke kom ke wa to he nang wa na ka por support la ujia kami ni jingjia wa snau si ka duni he kediak na yang to te ke jing klampion